Welcome, adventurers, to another thrilling journey with Boundless Expeditions. Get ready to ignite your wanderlust and embark on an exciting travel destination. I've got the insider secrets to transform your solo travel experience and make it unforgettable. Hey, have you ever thought about embarking on a solo travel adventure? Well, get ready because today I'm going to share some game-changing solo travel tips that will transform how you explore the world. Welcome to our video on solo travel tips that will change how you travel forever. Solo travel is not just about visiting new places. It's a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and stepping out of your comfort zone to embrace new experiences. Now let's address the common concerns and fears that hold people back from solo travel. Safety, loneliness, and planning logistics are often cited as major challenges. It's natural to feel apprehensive about setting off on your own, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can conquer these obstacles. Whether you're a seasoned solo explorer or embarking on your first journey alone, these tips will change how you travel forever. Let's start with the first crucial step: researching destinations. Research is your best friend when it comes to solo travel. Take the time to thoroughly explore your destination, its culture, customs, and local norms. Look into safety tips and reliable accommodations. Next up, staying connected with loved ones. While solo travel offers unparalleled freedom, it's essential to keep your support network close, even from afar. Schedule regular check-ins with your loved ones back home. Share your itinerary and let them know you're safe. It not only provides peace of mind, but also keeps those special connections strong. Now let's talk about trusting your instincts. Your intuition is a powerful tool, especially when you're on your own in unfamiliar territory. Listen to your gut. If something feels off, don't ignore it. Whether it's choosing a taxi driver or deciding to explore a new neighborhood, trust yourself and prioritize your safety above all else. Remember, solo travel is not just about the destinations you visit, but the journey of self-discovery and empowerment. By arming yourself with knowledge, staying connected, and trusting your instincts, you'll unlock a world of possibilities that will forever change how you travel. So, fellow adventurers, are you ready to embark on your solo travel odyssey? Let's make every step count. Let me share a personal story that underscores the transformative power of solo travel. A few years ago, I decided to embark on a solo journey to Southeast Asia, a region known for its rich culture and breathtaking landscapes. As someone who had always traveled with friends or family, the idea of navigating foreign streets alone was daunting, to say the least. But as I immersed myself in the vibrant chaos of bustling markets, trekked through lush forests, and engaged in heartfelt conversations with locals, something remarkable happened. I discovered a newfound sense of freedom and self-reliance that I never knew existed within me. One particular moment stands out vividly in my memory. I found myself standing at the edge of a cliff, overlooking a breathtaking sunset painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. In that moment of solitude, with the world stretching out before me, I realized that stepping out of my comfort zone had opened doors to experiences and opportunities I could have never imagined. Solo travel isn't just about visiting new places. It's about embracing the unknown, confronting your fears, and discovering the depths of your own resilience. It's about realizing that the only limits that exist are the ones we impose upon ourselves. That journey through Southeast Asia changed me in ways I couldn't have anticipated. It taught me to embrace uncertainty, to trust in my instincts, and to find beauty in the most unexpected places. And most importantly, it showed me that the greatest adventures often begin when we dare to step out of our comfort zones and into the unknown. So, to all the fellow adventurers out there, I urge you to embrace the transformative power of solo travel. Who knows what incredible experiences await just beyond the horizon? Have you embarked on your own solo travel journey? Share your experiences, memorable moments, and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to explore the world fearlessly. Your stories have the power to ignite a sense of wanderlust and camaraderie among our community. So don't hesitate to join the conversation and connect with fellow travelers from around the globe. And if you're hungry for more travel tips, destination guides, and inspirational stories, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join our growing community of adventurers as we continue to explore the world one journey at a time. Until next time, keep wandering, keep exploring, and never stop seeking new adventures.